question. I don't know if I should.
Go ahead. Any topic, go ahead.
So I would have to read a paragraph from a book, actually. So he says, a Torah scholar was learning Kabbalah on the fast of Teshuvah, which was delayed that year to Saturday night, 10th of Av.
Could you slow down? That's too fast for me. I'm a little slow. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So a Torah scholar was learning Kabbalah on the fast of Teshuvah.
Yeah. When so just to explain to everybody, when it is forbidden to learn Torah, because it's forbidden to be happy, right? So and the Torah brings happiness to person's life. Yeah. So he desecrated the law and learned Torah. Okay. So we're all on the same page. Go ahead, please. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Thank you, Rabbi.
Mm-hmm.
So, which was delayed that year to Saturday night, meaning the 10th of Av, the day after. So then he goes, he reasoned that he could learn Kabbalah, although Torah learning is forbidden on Teshuvah, as Kabbalah said,
Mm-hmm.
because the fast was pushed off a day, and because there had been a Brit Milah in his shul that day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so because he learned Torah when he was forbidden, the Yetzer Hara incited him that week, and he became very angry.
Mm-hmm.
At that moment, two wicked Jews got into a fight, and one of them stabbed other with a knife.
Mm-hmm.
The Torah scholar was told, apparently by the Baal Shem,
Mm-hmm.
that his anger caused the wicked person to become angry and commit murder.
Mm-hmm.
He immediately accepted upon himself to do Teshuvah. So this is kind of mind-blowing.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering I don't know if this kind of boils down to how righteous the person and how much of an impact he has over other people, but let's say for us, average Joes, if we do something like this, could we have such an impact in people that are close to us? Or is that more like...
That's what we said. It's a brilliant question. That's what we said many times. Sometimes you have to just add holiness to yourself, and it's going to impact everybody around you, even without you speaking one word, right? Because people are watching, and they feel. And you understand? In this case, this person, he was doing the calculations, and it was his fault. Let it be our biggest the biggest sin in our entire life to learn Torah on Teshuvah. You understand? So he did not do it like he did not eat on Yom Kippur or go Chas v'Shalom against HaShem. No, it's of course it's rabbinic decree, but and he has all of the leniency on his side. Just so we understand. So the Teshuvah was on the 9th of Av. But when it's of course on Shabbos, we are allowed to fast only on Yom Kippur. So if it's not Yom Kippur, you're not allowed to fast on Shabbos. So fast usually pushed, usually for a later day. So now they push the fast on Sunday. So technically on Shabbos you should be happy, right? So you can learn Torah technically, right? And then plus it was a bris milah. So bris milah, meaning what? It's actually the happy occasion. So and actually like it's you're allowed to drink wine and eat meat in even these 9 days. I think like it's totally like out of this world. So everybody is happy, right? So meaning what? So in his show, so meaning that he was also affected. He's a part of this celebration in some sense, right? So it like all of the leniency, like doubts and leniency were on the side of that person. So to say that he did something absolutely wrong and forbidden, absolutely not. He did not. It was afterwards. It was Shabbos, right? Even some say but if I'm not going to learn Torah, what I'm going to do? Sleep? I'm going to do like involved in the empty conversations, right? On the 9th of Av, you're busy learning the book, like Eicha, right? All of this Lamentations, like unending. Like I never, unfortunately, I never, ever in my life finished the whole book. It's just too much. I mean, for me, I'm very slow reader, so for me, it's to finish that book is, I don't know, maybe 5 hours I would finish, maybe not, maybe 6 hours, 7 hours. Yeah, you understand? So you're busy with other things on Teshuvah, but on Shabbos, so he was all the leniency. And because of his sin, so according to his level, it was a big sin. So other person was killed, right? Somebody got angry. So very interesting. So it's a Hara had what is it? Permission to prosecute. On one hand, on another hand, have to remember that everybody have their own free choice. But with this big tzaddik, so the balance shifted a little to the other side. So his marriage did not protect that person from not committing the avera. Basically, that's the thing. So, but for sure, our actions, our trying to get close to Hashem has impact on all of the surroundings. That's 100%. Family, like friends, everybody. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I was wondering, is this person perhaps, or someone that does something like this, would this person get punished because of it?
Yes, he had a free choice. He has less protection, but he had a free choice, 100%. So it's like this story, as I said, with Satan. People said, no, it's Satan. Oh, it's Christians, Muslims. No, it's a bad angel. He's not angel. He's this spirit, that spirit. Stop it. You understand? They're going to. I like when these clowns they try to teach Jews what the Torah says. Unbelievable. Okay. So again, so everybody have to take responsibility for their actions. Period. Okay. So don't blame on your parents, on your environment, you absolutely always have a free choice, and that is why Torah said a person is going to be punished for the third and fourth generation. So what does it mean? Third, like if the 3 generations before they were wicked, and you stay wicked, all of the four generations, so your 4th generation, 3 generations before you, and father, grandfather, great-grandfather, they were wicked, and you follow their ways, guess what? You're going to be punished for all of their sins. So, and we know that Hashem is just, so how does that make sense? My grandfather was like a gangster, I'm going to be punished because of him, he killed people for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm going to get punished 100%, right? Because you stay like that, and meaning what? That you had a chance not to be like that. So meaning Hashem provided this person multiple times, multiple occasions not to be like that and know the truth. So okay, person stay like that, 100% his fault. Why? Because Hashem said so. Master of the world. He said, I'm going to punish you for a 3rd and 4th generation. Why? Because you could, if you want to. What else?
Very much, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.